Hello everyone, so this is our lesson for today about conversion of fraction, decimal, and percent, okay? And our objective is to convert fraction to percent, okay? So we have 1/2. 1/2 is a fraction. To convert to percent, we're going to multiply it by 100. Okay, so the denominator of 100 is 1. Then, we multiply the numerator. 1 times 100 is 100. And denominator, 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, 100 divided by 2, the answer is 50. And then, we're going to add percent sign. So, now we have 50%. Okay, 1/2 is equivalent to 50%. Okay, now we have another example on how to convert fraction to percent. We have number 1, 1/4, then multiply by 100. So, the denominator of 100 is 1. And then it is equal to 1 times 100 is 100. 4 times 1 is 4. And then 100 divided by 4, the answer is 25. And then add percent sign. So, we have 1/4 is equivalent to 25%. Next, number 2. 3/4 times 100 over 1. So, 3 times 100 is 300. 4 times 1 is 4. And then, 300 divided by 4, the answer is 75%. Next, number 3. 1/5 times 100 over 1. Then, it is equal to 1 times 100 is 100. 5 times 1 is 5. Then, 100 divided by 5, the answer is 20%. Okay, so that is how to convert fraction to percent.